Sexy young black king like I am. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jack. I installed the Z Automotive Taser in my 2018 Dodge Charger RT, and what that did was unlocked pretty much every feature the car should have had from factory that it didn't come with, because for whatever reason Dodge likes to charge you for things like track mode or performance pages and shit that the car should have had. You gotta stay hydrated. It's hot as hell in Cali. I don't know about y'all where y'all live, but right now, nigga dying. It ain't even summer yet. I'm already ready for summer to be over. My dream car is a Hellcat, and I'm 23 years old. I bought this car when I was 22 last summer, and the car market was pretty bad, so I took what I could get for the price. So I got the RT. I wanted a Scat Pack. Probably could have got a Scat Pack if I waited like another few weeks, but at the end of the day, my dream car is a Hellcat. Now the Scat Pack is a faster car, but it's not the Hellcat, so I'm just as happy with the RT, honestly. I installed the Z Automotive Taser and my Charger. So my plan is just to pretty much build this car into the Hellcat. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment below. Let's get into driving. I've been talking for a long time, and right now I have my car set to start in track mode, but when I'm like, gas prices are fucking retarded. So if you want to help a nigga out, like, fuck, this channel ain't even monetized. Go watch my gaming channel, subscribe to me over there. I get paid on that one. But battery storage and fucking, yeah, battery life and memory card storage. So I don't see why it would be dying like it is. Got a downshift. She sounds good with just the mid muffler delete on her. But nah, what I plan on doing to the exhaust though, I don't know what exhaust I want to get yet, but I definitely want to get a 3-inch straight pipe. It don't really matter who it's from, but I do love how the 3-inch exhaust sounds on these cars, and if I'm getting something like that, I want my shit to be loud, so I gotta get it straight piped. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, I'm going to the store, but on Mama's, I forgot what I was going to the store to grab. If I like, comment what I said I was going to the store if I said it. But let's say appreciate and admire the skin. You see how I'm glowing? I wash my face. I've been getting put on game from a lot of women that you niggas are dirty and you niggas don't take care of yourself. Y'all don't change your underwear. Y'all don't wash your face. You don't brush your teeth. Take care of yourself, brothers. You might get you some bitches. Oh man, I just want to slide and just wild out and just go crazy in traffic. That boy fat as hell. Why he sitting back so far on his feet? He ain't even got no neck. Could y'all see that? I hope y'all could see that. Let's get that man on a diet. Is that a M? Oh, that's a 440i. That shit was clean. It looked like some type of M series. I like BMWs. Of course, I'm a Mopar guy, but you gotta love a nice car when you see one. Hello?
Jackie?
What?
Where you at?
I'm going to Target.
You know what time you'll be home?
When I leave the store, why?
I could beat you up
What?
I could beat you up Fortnite.
You know you've never beat me before, right?
I'm better than you, man.
What makes you think you're gonna beat me now out of the hundreds of times you lost?
I got some stuff for my controller.
Okay, now when I beat you, when you have the stuff on your controller, how are you gonna feel? Because I don't want to do that to you. Exactly. All right, I'll be back when I'm back. Don't worry, I'm just going to the store.
Are you going to the place to get your phone?
No, but now that you reminded me about that, I have to call them. But I have to see what they say because I might have to pay money to do that. So might have to wait till I get paid. But we'll see. I'll let you know when I figure that out. Thanks for reminding me.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Scared to fight me.
Don't be reading my text messages, nosy ass niggas. Guys, I'm messing up my hair for YouTube. Y'all better like appreciate the fuck out of me and like show love. Cause I just spent 3 hours retwisting the dreads and I'm still not done. But I got this GoPro strapped all over my head and shit, as you can see. But let's get this show on the road. Oh, and I got me some street tacos waiting for me at the crib. I'm feeling good. Can't wait to get home. I'm gonna fuck that shit up. Driving this shit, I can't fucking see because the sun in my eyes. She's smoking the shit out that cigarette behind me. You know what? One of my like favorite things to do is to be driving my car, cutting up in traffic with a group of other cars. Preferably like other Mopars, like type shit, but shit. The last sideshow type thing I went to, there were so many people, it was hundreds of people. And there was different spots. Every time a spot gets shut down, the entire meet would slide out. Oh, it would probably help if I record, but every time a spot would get shut down, the entire meat would slide out and just start cutting up in traffic. I'm talking about fuck a red light. We're taking over the highways, the roads, what the fuck, it don't matter. Windows up and it's still sounding loud. dogs. I love animals. I have 3 cats. 3 cats, and they all spoiled. Challenger V6. What is that? Some type of Scion? Huge ass wing. Y'all think I'm running his shit? What y'all think? I'm all stuck. Oh, look at the scat pack. Look at the scat pack. The Daytona 392. He looking clean. Damn, are those 5-inch tips? Them are not stock. Them is for sure 5-inch tips. I just love the look, but I think the Chargers look better in the wide bodies. I bet these other niggas be looking at me in my car like, what the fuck is he doing? But little do y'all know, wide body coming soon. They're actually on back order right now. So what ended up happening was I bought these expensive ass fucking wheels and tires, and well, I thought expensive, but I saved money. They didn't charge me for labor, and I got like 30% off or some shit like that. So I think I paid $2,800. It would have been about $3,800 or something without the discounts I got. So I saved a lot of money, but I still spent a lot of money. So that was the first step of getting my wide body. Now I got the wheels and tires. I just need the wide body itself. And when I was ready to look into getting the wide body kit, they had just ran out of stock. So now they're all on back order. So I have to wait for them to have more fucking inventory for that shit. Sounds so lovely. Y'all can shit on the RT all y'all want to, but I bet y'all shit don't sound like this. Hold on. I know I ain't tripping. I'm gonna have to play that back. I swear I seen a head. I see a. Is that nigga getting head in his car with his windows down, fishbowl? Oh, maybe that was a dog. I hope it was just a dog. I thought bro was getting slopped up something tough.